back to Sticks and Stones Wood Carving with Kevin. Today, in this video, we're going to do another caricature. This guy's going to have a hat, a little scarf, and he's going to be smiling. So, give you an idea of what those features look like and how simple they really are. Okay, doesn't take much, a little bit of paint on them. We're going to do them out of cottonwood bark. That's what this pattern's meant for, but you can do them out of basswood too if you like. Right, and we're going to start this guy off right at the nose and the eyes. So we're going to start by making his top eyelid, just like that. Okay, come over here to this side, make another eyelid. And this was a smaller carving that I did, but he was fun to do. Alright, going to come down, give him one eye there, come down, do the bottom, the top of that one. Let's give him his two pupils. One here, one there, about, I think we're going to do. And let's color those in. I'm going to touch them all the way to the top, by the way. Just trying to get them kind of even. Alright, and from there let's do his nose. We're going to pick up this eye line right here. We're going to come down. Make his nose just one big ball. Kind of go back up like there. Like that. Let's give him an eye bag. A couple wrinkles. On this side the same thing. We can figure out where that nose is going to be. And then take an eye off of that. An eye line. A bag line. And another bag line. Right? And a couple crow's feet. Go up to here and let's make his first eyebrow. We can color that in, but for the purpose of the video I'm not going to at the moment. Let's do his second eyebrow. Okay, just big goofy eyebrows, right? And we'll give him some lines. And with these, okay, now up in here we're going to give him a line that goes across like this. Then we're going to come down, make a point, and go back up. And when we get to the top up here, I want you to come down just like that. This is going to be a shadow here that I'm going to draw next, alright? I'm going to come over and in like that. And right where that hooks, we're going to come down with his other hair. This piece of hair on this side. Like that. Come back up to the top. Come down like that. Okay, now all of that is this here is all hair. Alright? But there's like a shadow to his hat, which you're going to see here. I'm going to come up. I'm going to come over. And then come down. Alright, and at the top here we're just going to round off the top like that to make his hat. Alright, now this right here is all going to get colored in with paint. A little darker than the hair, because the hair will be whatever color you choose to put. So that's why I'm drawing this in. Because you would shade that when you painted, and then this right here is hair. All of this going across the top here, this is hair. Okay, this is hair. What those lines mean. Okay. So when you paint him, whatever color you're going to paint him, you know, his hair, you might have different color hair. So this right here would be a shadow you'd put on his hat. Okay. Same with here. You know, I'd do a little shadow here, say, with some paint. And then blend it in with his hat. Maybe up here too. Okay, that's just shading and really, you don't have to put that in your pattern or not. Now from here, let's take his mustache. We're going to start at his nose right here. Just draw a line straight down, come over to this side, do the same. And this mustache, we're just going to give him a little bit of some movement. Like that. Then we're going to give him a couple of teeth. This is what makes this guy look kind of cool. We're just going to come over and up and touch. Go about here. Do another one. And about here we're going to do a third one. Okay. Now to come back over to here, we're going to do his beard. And again, it's going to just be random, like squiggly, insinuating that it's not just rounded and straight. Okay. And this hair right here is going to attach to the beard and come over to the mustache. Okay. Just like that. And again, the beard is all lines. The lines go right up. There's no mouth on him, he's just got an overbite. And you can give his mustache some. Now, he's got ears, so I'm going to come up about here. I'm going to give him one big ear. Go over to this side. Give him his other ear. And on the inside of his ear, we would carve. So we're just going to insinuate some of these lines we would do carving with shadows for the pattern. You can carve the ear any way you want. Okay. Now we're going to come down from there. We're going to give him, this is kind of like a bust of a carving. Alright. So off the beard here, I'm going to draw a line. And come over here and do the same. Alright, about here. And then, we'll start like a scarf. And all this is going to be is just a line. Come down a little further. And draw another line. That comes up. Alright. Draw one in between. Just making lines, and then that's going to get painted red. And then we're just going to finish that off with a different color. And this will be the bust. Right, and this would be on a piece of wood that would just kind of, say the wood would go down like this. Okay. And this right here is all wood. Okay, and then we have a caricature of a little guy with a smile. Pretty simple to do. Okay, you can make his eye line. Now his eyelids make them go in into the nose here. Okay. And give him a couple of wrinkles where you want. And you got yourself a nice little wood spirit on a block of wood that you can stand up on a shelf or something. Okay, well there you go. Here's a nice simple face, easy to do. One more carving that we got in the bag. One more carving video down. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. As always, I'm Kevin from Sticks and Stones Wood Carving, and I will see you the next time.